What's up, team? It's Tiarrea B, naturally, and in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for my Saturday. It is currently 8:23 a.m. and I am up early about to get some of this Uber, DoorDash, Grubhub money, and I just wanted to see how the day's going to go. I only got about 4 hours or so before I've got to head back and get ready because I've got an event. I'm going to be hanging out with my friend today, so definitely stay tuned and see where we end up eating and what we end up doing for our event. Yeah, but right now I'm just sitting here chilling, waiting. I've got all 3 of my apps on and I'm waiting for an order, so I figured I'd pick up the camera and take you guys along with me. Yeah, so I'm just sitting here waiting patiently, enjoying the sun as it hits my face. Got that glow. Yeah, guys, comment down below if y'all seen my recent skincare video from Everyday Skin Co. I've been using her products every day and I'm so excited. Like, my results are coming in fast, y'all. Look at that skin. I'm so excited. I can't wait to come back and give y'all a full comparison from like when my skin was like all super bumpy, but yeah, it's looking good. So shout out to Sharice over there at Everyday Skin Co. I'll put a link to her products in my description if you just don't know what I'm talking about. You can check it out for yourself. But anywho, let's go. Y'all, so we just pulled up at Ginger Sue and I have just been rolling. This is my 3rd and 4th order because this is a double order and it was already looking good. It was like $9 for like 8 or 9 miles for Ginger Sue, and then they threw me another Ginger Sue for under a mile. So yeah, that's like $18 for like really 10 miles. So yeah, I'm about to go grab it. My phone is like low on battery, so hopefully it doesn't go dead while I'm in there trying to grab the orders, but I'll check back in with you guys to let y'all know what happened. Hold on. Ooh, that was a close one, y'all. Okay, so there's one and then the other one is here. Both of them didn't fit in the bag, but I put my phone on battery saver mode, so y'all, so super quick update. I've been just kind of rolling and working. So far I've probably done about 4, maybe 5 orders. I've made $28 on Uber Eats thus far, $10 on Grubhub, about $39. I'm currently on one that is $35 on Grubhub and it's for 25 miles. So yes. So I'm excited about that. Hopefully it's good. You know, sometimes you see those and it's like too good to be true, but yeah, we're gonna see. Just probably will get there within the next 9 minutes. So that's what I'm doing now. I've only been going for about 2.5 hours. I did take a small break to grab some Wendy's. I just got like a breakfast bar and a water. So yeah, keeping things simple, keeping expenses down, keeping the profits high. Okay, but so far it's been a pretty good Saturday. Comment down below, let me know how your day is going. It may not be Saturday when you're watching this, but let me know how you doing, how you feeling. So let's keep rolling. The time is now 10:57 and I need to meet with my friend by 1:30. So we are drawing close to the event, so I'll work just a little bit more, maybe about another hour and a half, and then we'll continue. Okay, so I should have went with my first mind because this was a bust. I just pulled up at the McDonald's, like where the order is supposed to be picked up, and then I'm looking for like the person's name because I just arrived and the order is like not there. So then I checked like my history, like my work history for today on Grubhub, and it said that the order was canceled. And so I got the consolation prize of like $3 because it was canceled, but I was supposed to make $35 and I've already driven like 16 miles to get to McDonald's. So I'm a little tight, but we're gonna keep on pushing and hopefully, you know, the Lord will give me double for my trouble. So let's keep going. right, y'all, that's gonna be a wrap on today's vlog because my phone went dead when I went to go meet with my friend, so I didn't get too much more footage after that. But yeah, after painting, we just went over to Olive Garden, got some food, had some good time talking and fellowshipping, and after that I went to Walmart, and now I'm back home in the garage, so the quality of this video is probably not as great because the lighting is not that great. Yeah, but overall it's a good day, long day. I made about $77 when I was working Uber and DoorDashing earlier, so not bad for a little quick Saturday money grab, you know. But yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Listen, I'm Tiarrea B and I am out. Blessings.